guys, so today I'm doing my July favorites, and I'm not just going to do beauty products, I'm also going to do my favorite outfit for July, and I'm also going to do some of my favorite accessories and stuff like that. So for my first favorite, I needed a travel bag for all my makeup, and I got this bag here from Walmart. It was about $10, and it looks pretty small like right now, but it unfolds like that. So you got this compartment here, and I put all my liquids in there, like I put shampoo and conditioner, and then I put this little nail polish remover, and I put in my cheek stain, just anything that I didn't want to leak. I also put my nail polish in there too. Anything that I didn't want to leak onto my like eyeshadows and all the rest of my makeup and stuff. So in this compartment I put in like my blush, my bronzer, and all my eyeshadows and my eyeliners and stuff like that. So, and then up here I put my dental floss and a lipstick. And then in the back there's another compartment, and it's right here. And I have a makeup brush in here right now, but I put in my my tweezers, and I put in my all my hairpins and my hair ties and stuff like that. So next, my favorite nail polishes for July. So I've been using this nail polish a lot during the summertime. I actually have new favorites now. This was my favorite, but I found another favorite. So I use this a lot. It's Mid Sorbet, but it's by Sally Hansen. And it's really thick when you put it on, so you don't really need that many top coats. So I like that. And then my all-time favorite nail polish is this color by China Glaze, and it's Lemon Fizz. And I have it on my nails right now. I have it on with this baby blue color by China Glaze. It's a crackle nail polish. And the yellow one's called, this one's called Lemon Fizz, and then this one's called Crushed Candy. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I really like it a lot. So those are my two favorite nail polishes right now. And then I also have this other cracked nail polish that I got, and this is China Glaze also, and this one's called Cracked Concrete. And this one actually does, believe it or not, look really good with this yellow one, but I wanted to put the blue one on this time. So those two look really good together. And then the gray one also looks good like on pinks and turquoises and greens and stuff like that. So this is a Sinful nail polish, and it's called Sinful Professionals, and I got this for $1.99 at Rite Aid. I don't know what other stores sell them, but Rite Aid sells these. And then I got this like turquoise green color, and this one's called Rise and Shine, and this one's called Chacha Red, even though it's like a dark pink. So for my next favorite is gonna be eyeshadows. And of course my Naked palette is definitely one of my favorites for July, because I did go to Vegas, and this was just very easy for me and fast to do my makeup, because I would use these colors right here during the day, and then when the night came on I just added on like this dark brown and then this like maroon brown color, and it was just really simple and easy for me to do when I wanted to go out. I didn't have much time, and I went back to the room after like going out for the day. So I definitely like that. And I also use some of these brown, like I use this brown color right here, and then I use this one for my eyebrows. So I have like all in one in this palette. So, and then my next favorite eyeshadows for July is definitely these two M.A.C shadows. And this like mustard yellow one is called Goldenrod, and then this pink one's called Sushi Flower. And I just really love these two colors together. They're my two favorite colorful eyeshadows for July. And next, this is a favorite of mine for July that I've been using a lot. I always switch to this and then back to my powder bronzer. This is by Bare Minerals, and it's just a plain bronzer, and it's in color Warmth. But I always go back and forth. Sometimes I add them together, but this is actually a mineralized blush by M.A.C, and it's called Nuance. It's Nuance. And this could be used as a blush or a bronzer, so I have it on right now today. So I really like this a lot. And then for my next beauty product, for my primer, since it's really hot in Vegas, I had to make sure that I had on my primer, even though I do wear primer every day, but I didn't forget it one time. This is the primer that I use, and it's Prime Time by Bare Minerals. and I like it a lot. This is really the only primer I've ever really used, but I definitely like this one, so I've been using that a lot. And of course, I'm definitely moisturizing my face. It's really dry right now because of Vegas, but this is by Bare Minerals too, and it's called Rare Minerals. It's just a really light, soft moisturizer, so I really like that one. And then for my cleanser, I use this Clean and Clear Morning Burst, and I've been using Clean and Clear since like 8th grade, so I mean it works for me, so that's the cleanser I've been using. And then for my concealer, I like to use this concealer by Benefit, and it's called Erase Paste, and it just comes in a little jar. It comes with a spatula that I usually use, but lately I've been using my finger to apply it. And favorite perfume for July, I've been using this a lot. It's the Victoria's Secret Very Sexy perfume, and I like this perfume because I can wear it during the day and I can also wear it during the night, so that's my favorite perfume. So for my favorite accessories, I got these 2 belts while I was in Vegas, and there's these 2 skinny belts, and I got a blue one and a yellow one, and they look really cute around the waist. So I'm going to show you, when I show you my favorite outfit for July, I'm going to show you one of my dresses with one of these belts. So those are 2 of my favorite accessories. And then for my last accessory, this is one of my favorite new accessories that I got. And I got this in Vegas too, and it's from the Flamingo, and it says Flamingo Las Vegas, established in 1946. And it's just, I just really like it. I like the rope handles, and I like the pink and white stripes, and it's actually really good quality, and it was only $16, so I had to get it when I saw it. So those are my favorite accessories for July, and now I'm going to show you my favorite outfit. Okay, so this is my favorite outfit for July, and it's just a dress that I got from Forever 21 with some colorful splashes in it, and it kind of looks, I guess, Picasso looking, I don't know, but it has like all these little colors in it. So I paired it with a yellow skinny belt that I got at H&M, and then I'm wearing this Michael Kors purse that I got on sale at M.A.C's. I got it with a matching wallet for 60 something bucks, and they also have a green one right now at Marshall's that I saw. So, and then for my shoes, I'm just wearing these wedges. They're just black plain wedges, and I'm also wearing these gold hoop earrings. So that's my favorite outfit for July. So I finally finished recording my July favorites video. It took me forever because I just didn't like, every time I recorded I didn't like it, so I just kept recording it. So I finally finished it now. So those are my favorite beauty products and my favorite accessories for July, and also my favorite outfit. So I also wanted to ask a question. I want to do this at the end of my videos. My question for this video today is, what do you dread putting on the most with your makeup? Do you dread putting on your eyeliner, mascara, concealer? Just let me know in the comments below what you dread putting on, or maybe if you don't dread putting on anything, because I literally hate putting on mascara. Like, I just feel like it takes too long, and I have really long eyelashes, so I don't know if that's why. I don't know, I just hate putting on mascara. So I just feel like it takes forever and it clumps up, and I don't know, everything else when I put on my makeup is so simple and easy, and that just takes forever. So every time I get to my mascara, like every time I'm about to put on my mascara, I'm like, ugh, now I gotta put on my mascara. So let me know if you dread putting on your mascara too, because I don't know if I'm like the only person in the world that hates that. But I mean, I love it after I put it on, but of course I don't like applying it. So let me know in the comments below. So that's my July favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am having a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, because I only have like, I don't know, 32 or something right now. It's kind of pathetic, but yeah. So once I reach 100 subscribers, I want to have a giveaway. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any requests, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.